Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by preparing your custom emoji images for the Android keyboard. Create square images at 128x 128px and save as PNG or WebP under 100 KB. Name each file with plain letters and digits, for example emoji smile 01. PNG, to avoid import errors. Organize the images into a single folder on your device or place them in Google Drive for easy access. Make at least 10 images to test sets, but you can add more later. Confirm image backgrounds are transparent when needed for better appearance. Next, install a keyboard app that supports custom stickers or emoji. Use Gboard or SwiftKey from Google Play, as both support sticker packs and image imports. Open the keyboard app and follow setup prompts to enable it in Android settings. Grant required permissions, such as file access and full keyboard input when prompted. Then set your chosen keyboard as the default in languages and input settings. Restart your device or stop the app if the new options do not appear. Finally, import your prepared images into the keyboard as a sticker or custom emoji pack. Open a Sticker Maker app or use Gboard's Sticker Import feature and choose your folder of images. Trim or position each image so it fits inside the preview frame, confirm transparency and scale. Save the pack with a clear name and assign an optional shortcut phrase. Open any app, tap the keyboard's sticker icon, and select your custom pack to insert emoji images directly into messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.